In this video, I'm going to show you how to install a font on your iPad. You want to make sure that you have the iFont app on your iPad first. You likely do not have that on your iPad right now, so you're going to go to the self-service app. You're going to search for iFont and hit the install button. The app looks like this. Then you're going to go to DaFont, and you can choose the font that you would like to add. We'll do 30 script, hit import, and then install the font. Okay, so then it's going to have a list of things you should do. You can look at those or you can watch me as I do them. So I'm going to go to the Settings app, go to Profile Downloaded, which is over on the top left. Install, install, install. Done. And now your font is installed.